So we're here at the PHCC Plumbing Trade Show 2025 in Pomona, California. We're really trying to bring light to the younger generation and show them what the trades have to offer. So let's go. The one and only Glenn Blavet with Halo Water. Glenn, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, man. It's so good to be here with the utility. You guys are tearing it up, brother.
See you, man. See you. I like your logo, man. Logo looks legit. I was like, oh my God, I gotta meet this guy. He
Awesome.
inspired me.
Thank you so much, man. You have no idea how much that means to me.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing?